Hey guys, what's up? My name is Morgan and today I am here with another pack and prep. So we are heading to Disney World in Orlando, Florida in about 26 hours. And so I have not packed anything yet. I've not really gotten much together. So I just wanted to take you along with another pack and prep with me. The last time I did this was for our Europe trip a few months ago. And that was like kind of sporadic. Not sure if that was a useful video or a fun video to watch, but I'm gonna try it again. So I'm here in our guest room. That is my packing area. And I'm going to kind of put some things together today. I have an appointment, I have a nail appointment today. I gotta do some laundry, and it's also a work day. So I'm gonna try to fit all of that in here, but I just thought I would take you along to kind of show you what we like to pack for when we go on a different type of trip, which is Disney World. Also, if you are new, again, my name is Morgan. This is a newer channel, so bear with me as I kind of navigate how to best go about this. But my husband and I are here in New York. We're about an hour and a half from Manhattan. He is in the military, so we are from California, moved over here about a year and a half ago, and this is our life now. So glad you're here with us, and I hope to give you a good glimpse of what's going on. All right, so first thing is you can see I've just taken a shower, but I was going to do that cute little thing where I make my coffee with you. I've never done that before, so we will see if this ends up being cute or not. But anyways, here we go. All right, this is my little coffee situation here. So I love this little Nespresso Virtuo machine. In that canister, we have all the espresso, and then those are like larger size coffees. I think I'm going to make an iced latte, so stay tuned. There's our beautiful espresso. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of this French vanilla just to get the sweetness and the flavor in. And then I will add some frothed milk on top of that. She is in all her glory. Yummy. I guess I could have added like a little vanilla in there next time. All right, so now I'm gonna do a load of laundry. I always try to get a final load in before we leave, just so we don't have like a ton of clothes piling up when we get home. So I'm gonna get that load of laundry in, dry my hair, and then I have to start my work day, which is gonna be hard because I just wanna like pack and get ready. But I do work from home, so I work as a community manager for a tech company, so really nice that I get to work from home. So probably like during lunch or something, I'll come and like pop back in and start packing more stuff. But anyways, good morning. Welcome to my workday. I don't really know how much I can film during my workday, but here we are. And here's a little glimpse of our house that you haven't really seen. So yeah, little bonus for you. So like last time, I love to show our progress as of now. So not much progress has happened. We just kind of been piling things on this bed that we plan on taking until we can kind of truly pack it in a more organized manner. But I honestly don't know what this pile is. I think my husband just puts clothes here. But this is kind of a compilation of some things that I have gotten ready. So compiling a bunch of water bottles to take because I feel like that's an efficient way to get water, like in the hotels and things like that, is to just bring it in your checked bag. And then I'm bringing my empty Hydro Flask for the parks. And then I'm gonna bring my body butter, Supergoop body butter, which is this great like lotion sunscreen. So I'm gonna bring that. And then I did stock up on my Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue Tinted Moisturizer with, it's got some SPF in there as well. And then I've just put some little outfit things here. We got some new Lulu stuff for the trip, so this is like one of my outfits that I'm gonna do. This is another outfit, which I'm not sure how this is gonna work out. I really hope that it's not gonna look like pajamas, but this is from PacSun, which I don't think I've shopped at PacSun for many years, but it's like a little matching set, button-up set. I wanted like this oversized button-up look, and I'm really hoping that I can achieve that with this. So stay tuned if that is gonna work out or not. And then yeah, just some other little things that we're taking. Got our dang ponchos out, got my sunscreen, belt bag, little park bags that I take into the park with like a little sunscreen, sanitizer, that kind of thing. Maybe I'll show that. But yeah, this is the progress as of now, hoping that it gets a little better. All right, so it is lunchtime now. I have made some progress. I've curled my hair in hopes that it'll stay for tomorrow. I'll probably just like touch it up before our flight, but did that, and I did my load of laundry, so now I just need to fold all of that so I can start actually packing a bag. I think that Jean-Luc's coming home soon from work, which is nice. He has like a short day, so he can help me kind of do more because I feel a little bit stressed now. So yeah, this morning, like I said, I took a shower and I did like a full exfoliation process. So I'm ready to do my self-tan tonight, although I typically like lose motivation when it comes to actually needing to do that. I prefer spray tans, but didn't have time to get that done this time. So I'm gonna see if I'm gonna do my self-tanner. So that's the status of that. And like I said, get my nails done later. I had a pedicure yesterday, and then we leave tomorrow at like noon or something, and we're going out of an airport that's really close to our house, which is nice. It's a really small little airport that only goes basically to Florida, so that's gonna work out great. I'm just hoping that we can catch an Uber to the airport because I don't know how popular Ubers are around here for things like that, so that is our plan for that. But now I have to tackle this mountain of laundry, as you can see. So that's what we're gonna do now. All right, so I just got my nails done, which are cute, little wavy moment. So I just got home. We're now going to make dinner, and I still haven't really made any progress in the packing department, so I'm going to attempt to do that now. But glad that that's over, glad the workday's over, glad I have my nails done. My hair's getting kind of frizzy in this weather, but yeah, that's the situation now. All right, current situation, we are making progress. It is the next day. I've kind of separated my things out. This is underwear, socks, bras. This is more like clothing types. This is like t-shirts, tank tops. I'm gonna be bringing my Disneyland sweatshirt, even though I probably won't need it. My Monsters University hat, which I haven't worn in years. Some shoes, more shoes, and then my husband's bag is pretty much packed. All right, we are packed. This is my little outfit that I'm wearing. I'm a little embarrassed that I don't have any more white socks, but I packed them all. So we're just waiting for our friend to take us to the airport. We decided to do that instead of get an Uber and risk maybe not getting an Uber. So I realized this was probably not as much of a packing video as I thought it was going to be because we were kind of in a rush, but I hope that I packed enough. I hope I didn't overpack. I hope my suitcase isn't over 40 pounds because that's kind of a fear I have, but we're ready. So thanks for watching.